Hair transplantation is a team-oriented procedure. There's no way that I can do a large procedure by myself because there are multiple steps required to take a follicle from a donor site and place it into a recipient site in a timely manner. In our practice, we have multiple providers. Myself, my associate Dr. Matt Goldstein, and I have two physician's assistants named Lena and Kaylee. So in our office, there are 4 providers that extract follicles and place follicles. This is a surgical procedure where you're actually extracting and manipulating human tissue. So it needs to be treated as such, and that's what we do in our office. We have 4 providers to do any injection in the scalp, all extractions, and place all grafts. Our assistants will assist us in extracting the grafts after they've been cored, and they will also help us in loading pen implanters in our process of doing what's called direct hair implantation, or DHI-FUE. So you can rest assured at North Atlanta Hair Restoration, we are doing things at the highest ethical level and at the highest efficiency level that you can get in the industry, where we combine physicians and physician assistants, oftentimes multiple physicians at one time and multiple PAs at one time, to serve you as the patient, to make this process seamless, easy, quick, and efficient with the greatest results. If you have questions about hair transplantation and you're interested in moving forward with a consultation, we're happy to help. You can reach us at 678-845-7521. You can go to our website at nahairrestoration.com.